Where are we going today? Aha! To Heriot-Watt University in Malaysia. Not just a place to study, but also a global community bridging cultures. Let's go on a quick tour with AUG. Hi sir, we have Dawson here to bring us around and start off with this impressive lecture theatre with 400 seating capacity. It also hosts global conference where the students from the UK and Dubai campus join in the fun. Heriot-Watt is well known for their engineering courses. Of course, we are going to look at their labs. Safety first, gear up with the required PPE. You will perform experiments, explore with different chemicals, and dive into calculation tools and applications. Moving on, check out their student common area. They have a student union, a computer lab, dedicated study rooms, and just a place to chill out really. Whether for hanging out, friendly pool competition, or console games to distress. Now, we got to check out the library in every university, right? But what I like about here is definitely the Putrajaya Lake view while doing your quiet revision or group study. Come see it for yourself. Where we were and what you were seeing so far is the west wing of the campus. On the other side, let's see what's different on the east wing. Lecturers and tutors' offices, seminar rooms, and multi-purpose hall. Oh, the health center, which supports everyone's physical and mental well-being. One last unique thing about this campus, it is called Green Campus for its living grass roof stretching 300 meters long from the rooftop connecting to the ground floor. As we wind down, refuel ourselves at the Happy Cafe, the canteen with variety of food options satisfy your cravings. There you have it, Heriot-Watt University, Malaysia campus. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we can't wait to meet you in person and tell you more about study in Heriot-Watt.